Hey guys, it's Arlen, and I just want to do a fun little garden update today because I haven't shown you any progress in my garden since I was potting out the back of my car. But we have gotten somewhere, and I want to show you. I have 2 boxes here. See? My dad actually came through and had some tools and helped me get these together. So I'm thankful for that. But we got quite a few things planted here. We have marigolds, eggplants, squash, some heirloom tomatoes. Thank you to my neighbors, my lovely neighbors. So we got squash, zucchini right here. And this other box is not full yet. I actually have some things I want to plant in here, some different things. But we got pepper plants for now. I got baby basil and another squash plant there. So I'm going to show you over here now. I decided to get creative with my tomato plants. So we got tomatoes, you can see. I just dug a little bit out of the ground and then placed these down in there, the black pots. But these are all heirloom tomato plants, again from my beautiful neighbors. Yeah, they look so good, and I come out here and talk to them every day. This is my little haven. So it keeps me busy and keeps my hands in the ground, and you know, there's a lot of love going on here. It's really important. I want to just suggest, I did a lot of gardening in my 20s. I worked on an organic farm in a couple organic farms, but some communes and whatnot. And just being out and loving your plants and talking to them, loving them and feeding them and watching over them, you know, like coming out every day and noticing, is there bug presence? Is there something that's changed? Is there anything that's going on, you know? Just maintaining and taking care. So, okay, down here, we got little, hopefully you can see that, baby cucumbers. So we're gonna get creative here, and I'm using my fence, but I'm going to string up some string lines from here, and that way they can grow up along the fence. So we're utilizing everything in the yard, and that's what I wanted to tell you too. You know, you can utilize, if you're growing your garden, utilize all these different little elements you have. I'm actually going to grow. I'm also going to put like a string up here so that we can pull these tomato plants, like hold them up as they grow up. But yeah, so this is my little space. Look at it. I love it. I just love it. It just makes me happy. And I know this is just the beginning. I mean, this is just a blank yard, and now there's life in it, and gives me something to do, and I'm growing my own food, and it feels so good. And I'm telling you, it really is meditative. This is a meditative practice. Nice truck. Anyway, it's a healing practice, and I highly advise, if you have any space, even if you don't have a yard and you have a deck, you can grow things in pots. It's really simple, really easy, and I think it's just so important. So anyway, that's that. I love you guys, and hope you enjoyed my yard, and I will be showing you more things soon. That's the goal. All right, love you guys. Bye.